Time's up. Time to judge your boats.
Our boat is so cool. I know you like it. Our boat may be made out of paper, but it has a lot of cool decorations. Come on. And of course, we didn't do any of the work because you wanted to be super controlling and overbearing. Yeah, I don't like that. What? Shut up. Why are you here?
This sucks. Okay, next boat.
I made a super boat.
Yup.
This is the love. This is the place you wanna go. This is the time to see the world you never know. This is the love. This is the dream. This is the wish. This is the chance that you don't ever want. All the endless possibilities.